Hazrat Bara bin Azib radiyallahu anhu states, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was detained from entering the Kaaba, the people of Makkah Mukarramah made peace with him on this condition, that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would enter Makkah Mukarramah to stay only for 3 days, and he would neither enter Makkah Mukarramah but carrying sheathed swords, nor take any of the inhabitants of Makkah Mukarramah along with him. But he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would not prevent any of his companions to stay in Makkah Mukarramah who wished to stay there. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, write down these terms settled between us. In the name of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the most affectionate, extremely beneficent. These are the conditions on what Muhammad, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, has made decision. The policists whereupon said to him, if we had been sure that you were Allah's Apostle, we would have followed you. However, you should write Muhammad bin Abdullah. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu to delete that word, but Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu submitted, no, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will never delete it. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, show me the place of this word. Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu showed that place. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam erased that word and wrote Ibn Abdullah. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed for 3 days in Makkah Mukarramah. On the 3rd day, the Quraysh said to Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu, it is the last day of your companion's term. Ask him to leave now. Hazrat Ali conveyed this message to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, well, and set off. In one narration, there is Ba'ya'naka in place of Taba'anaka. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4607.